The forgotten tale of Lucas Vasquez de Ayllón and America's first known enslaved African rebellion. Welcome, history enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known chapter of American history, the remarkable yet tragic story of Lucas Vasquez de Ayllón's expedition to America in 1526, and the first recorded enslaved African rebellion in North America. It's a tale of ambition, hardship, and the quest for freedom. So let's set sail into history. In June 1526, Lucas Vasquez de Ayllón, a Spanish conquistador, embarked on a daring venture. After receiving a charter from Emperor Charles V, King of Spain, Ayllón aimed to establish a prosperous colony in what is now the United States. Alongside 600 settlers, including families, and crucially, 100 enslaved Africans, Ayllón's fleet set sail from Hispaniola. These Africans were among the first forcibly brought to North America, marking the beginning of a tragic saga of slavery on this continent. But their story is one of resilience and resistance. After a perilous journey, losing one ship along the way, Ayllón and his colonists arrived at their destination. They established San Miguel de Gualdape, possibly in present-day Georgia or South Carolina. But the dream of prosperity quickly turned into a nightmare. Harsh winters, food shortages, and disease plagued the settlement. Relations with indigenous tribes deteriorated. The death of Ayllón in October 1526 further threw the colony into chaos. Amidst this turmoil, the enslaved Africans faced the brunt of suffering. Yet, from the depths of despair, a spark of resistance ignited. The enslaved Africans in San Miguel de Gualdape staged what is considered the first recorded enslaved African rebellion in North America. This act of defiance is a testament to their unyielding spirit for freedom. Details of the rebellion are scarce, but its significance cannot be overstated. It is said that many of the enslaved Africans ran away and joined with the local population of natives. It marked an early stand against the inhumane institution of slavery, a battle that would continue for centuries on this continent. By early 1527, the settlement was abandoned. The survivors, possibly including some of the rebelling Africans, made their way back to Hispaniola. Ayllón's dream had failed, but the legacy of those who fought for their freedom in San Miguel de Gualdape lived on. The story of Ayllón's expedition and the San Miguel de Gualdape settlement is often overshadowed in the annals of history. Yet, it's a pivotal chapter that sheds light on the early Spanish presence in North America and the enduring human quest for freedom and dignity. Lucas Vasquez de Ayllón's venture is more than a footnote in history. It's a narrative that intertwines ambition with the stark realities of early colonial ventures. More importantly, it highlights the resilience of enslaved Africans, whose fight for freedom began the moment they were forcibly brought to these shores. The rebellion at San Miguel de Gualdape is a precursor to countless other acts of resistance against slavery in America. It reminds us of the profound impact of colonialism and the indomitable will of those who resist oppression. This story, rich with the themes of exploration, struggle, and resistance, compels us to reflect on the complexities of our past. It teaches us about the resilience of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable adversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. We hope this episode has shed light on a pivotal yet overlooked chapter of history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the annals of history. Until next time, keep exploring the past to understand the present. Learn the lessons from the stories. Never allow negative history to repeat itself.